How to manage team weekly capacity. With weekly team capacity in TaxDome, firm owners and admins can manage team resources by setting working hours for each team member and reviewing capacity reports. This ensures that employees' actual capacity is specified and that team workloads are balanced effectively, helping to monitor productivity, support informed decisions, and prevent team member burnout. The process for using weekly team capacity is as follows. The admin or firm owner sets the number of working hours for each team member. Team members track time while working. And finally, those with access to the reporting tool can explore the report, which shows the total team capacity, time tracked, and remaining team capacity for different periods. Let's dive into setting the weekly capacity for your team. Go to Settings, Teams and Plans. Navigate to the Team Members tab. Click three dots at the far right of the needed team member and select Manage Capacity. In the sidebar, set the time for each working day of the week and click Save. The table shows the team member's total weekly capacity. This setting is also available on the Employees page, which you can access by clicking their name here and modifying it. For full-time employees, you can also do this process in bulk. In the Team Members tab, select team members with the checkboxes and click Manage Capacity in the navigation bar above. Follow the same steps as with an individual colleague and click Save. The hours will be reflected in the Capacity column. Once the weekly capacity is set and the team has been tracking their time for some time, it is time to analyze the data with the Team Capacity pre-built dashboard. Go to Reporting, Dashboards, and select Team Capacity to access the dashboard. You can review this report by week, month, or quarter. By default, only the owner and admins can access this dashboard, but you can also authorize other team members to view it. To do that, go to Settings, Team and Plans, and Team Members, click the name of the colleague, select Access Rights, and turn on the toggle for View Reporting. This way, whoever has access rights can see the analytics and make informed decisions. For this to work, make sure all team members track their time while working. If your employees don't track their time while working on jobs or tasks, you can only set the weekly team capacity but cannot analyze the time spent or build reports.